Hey guys, it's great to see you today. I'm participating in a collaboration hosted by Natalie with Design to the Nines and Heidi Somble. These ladies have asked us to create some DIY ornaments, and that's exactly what I've done. I have a couple of different ones for you. But first, I'd like to remind you to check out Natalie and Heidi's channels. They are linked below. Also check out the playlist. It's linked down there as well, and you can see what all the other creators have come up with today. Give you some great ideas on decorating your home for the holidays. So let's get right to mine. The first ornament we're going to make are these little hats. You can hang these on your tree. What you'll do is get a toilet paper or paper towel roll, cut off 1 inch of that, and then we're going to use this yarn that I have, and you can use solid colors on all of it. You can mix your colors, just whatever you want to do. These are just the 2 colors I happen to have on hand, and you'll want to measure out 10-inch lengths of this yarn. And as you can see here, you just make a loop in one end, run it through, and then pull your 2 loose ends through that. Just like this, guys. I'll do a close-up of it in just a second so you can see it better. Okay, so here we are a little closer. Just fold it in half. Put your 2 cut ends through the loop and pull. And that's all it is to it. This is a really easy DIY, guys. It's been around for years. So I hope you enjoy learning this once again. Once you have this completed, just take another piece of your yarn, tie it in a knot around the top, leave some room. Sorry about that, I got off camera, but what I did was when I tied the string around the top, then I just trimmed up the top to make the little puffy balls up there. And just stuff your little toilet paper or polyfill in those, and that will help keep the shape of them. And then you can just use an ornament hook to hang it on your tree. Now on to the next ornament. For these ornaments, I'll be using the clear plastic ornaments from Dollar Tree. I have 1 round one, and then I have 3 of the round disc-shaped ones. I'll also be using some glitter and some, I think it's polyurethane or polyacrylic that I have. Yeah, it's polyacrylic. I didn't have polyurethane, so I'm hoping this works okay. And I'll be using that little injector that I picked up at Dollar Tree to get that polyacrylic out and put it in these ornaments. you get that in there, you just want to roll it to completely cover the inside. And then what I did is just let it drain over the container that the polyacrylic is in while I injected another ornament. And now while that one's draining, I'm going to use the red glitter in this one. And you just want to roll it around until the inside is completely covered. And this is what you should have. Silver. I'm going to do 2 more. This one is a dark chocolate brown and the other will be white. I'll set these aside to dry for a few minutes, and I'm going to use paint markers to decorate these. Okay, I'll be using my paint pens. I'll make a Santa, a reindeer, a snowman, and a gingerbread man. Ornaments. I love these little hats too. They are so cute. And of course you can do different colors in everything that you see here. Decorate it any way you want. I would like to thank Natalie and Heidi for hosting this collaboration today. Be sure to check out their channels as well as the playlist link below so you can see what all the other creators have come up with today. Thank you so much to my subscribers for your continued support, and thanks to everyone who's watching today. I hope you enjoyed these quick, easy DIYs.